The fight and the fury mounting over the House health care bill. Town halls like this one raising the volume over voters' concerns about pre-existing conditions. President Trump and House Speaker Paul Ryan celebrating the legislation's first victory lap this past week before lawmakers headed home. Now facing that backlash from healthcare advocates and Democrats using the controversial bill as a rallying cry. ABC's David Wright starting us off tonight with the president in Bedminster, New Jersey.
Tonight, blowback for Republican Congress members who voted to repeal and replace Obamacare. In upstate New York, Representative Tom Reed held town hall meetings with his constituents.
These are human beings.
Many of their concerns focus on so-called pre-existing conditions. This man says he recently donated a kidney.
Now that I have a pre-existing condition, that my cost of health care could go up significantly. And also, I could possibly be denied health care.
The Republican bill would roll back the Affordable Care Act's protections for patients with pre-existing conditions. That's 1 out of every 4 Americans. Health insurers would still have to cover them, but the bill does include a mechanism allowing insurance companies to raise rates on those patients, possibly even making their insurance unaffordable. In Idaho, Congressman Raul Labrador shot back at a constituent who told him without access to health care, people will die.
That line is so indefensible. Nobody dies because they don't have access to health care.
It will be great health care, and your premiums will come down, and your deductibles will come down. So you'll have better health care at a lower cost. And now I'm calling on the Senate to take action.
Some House members now admit they voted for the bill without reading the fine print.
I don't think any individual has read the whole bill, but that's why we have staff.
New Jersey Congressman Rodney Frelinghuysen switched his vote from no to yes at the last minute after promising his constituents he'd look out for them.
I support looking after pre-existing conditions.
He was holding my letter in his hand, yes, when he said that.
Adina Renfro-Michel is a survivor of stage 4 breast cancer.
Don't take away the protections we already have. And my representative voted to take away those protections when he promised not to. And I deserve an explanation.
Some of the emotion from this health care debate. David Wright joins us now live from Bedminster, New Jersey, where the president is spending the weekend at his golf club. David, we heard in your story the president is telling the Senate to pass this new health care bill, but he's also taking some shots at the media.
That's right. He's not at all happy with the coverage. He tweeted, "Wow, the fake news media did everything in its power to make the Republican health care victory look as bad as possible, far better than Obamacare," he says.